No, the title is not clickbait. This free trading indicator will make you a successful trader instantly. Let me explain to you how this works. So first of all, you're going to go into your indicators in TradingView and type in FXN Asian Session Range, and then you're going to click this one right here by Rob Minty. This indicator is showing you all of the different trading sessions. It's looking at the London session, the Tokyo session, and the New York session. This is extremely important because as traders, we need to know when the asset that we're trading is going to be most active. So right now we're looking at ES Futures. ES Futures is going to be most active during the New York session. This indicator also gives me my levels very easily. I look at all these sessions and I mark out the highs and lows. And then I go to the New York session and I mark out the first 15-minute candle. You can see right here that price has a very large reaction when it taps this zone. And then it comes up again right here and rejects off this zone perfectly. It also comes down and targets a previous New York low from right here. And then right now we just had a break and retest of a previous New York high. A break and retest is where price breaks above a level and then it retests this level and continues moving in the same direction that it broke, which in this case was to the upside. And now it appears that we're targeting a London high from the past. This indicator is extremely important because it allows you to always have very accurate levels. As a new trader, one of your biggest problems will be finding accurate levels. You have all these different concepts that you're dealing with. You're learning about support and resistance and liquidity and all these different things. This indicator should be a foundation on how you mark your levels. This indicator will highlight all the sessions for you. Your job is just to mark out the highs, lows, and the opens of whichever session you're trading. 99% of the time, I am trading the New York session, so this is why I'm marking out the 15-minute candle on the New York session. If I was trading during the Tokyo session, I would be marking out the first 15-minute candle of the Tokyo session. One super important tip with this indicator is to make sure that you're trading an asset that can be traded all day. This indicator will not work very well on stocks because the stock market closes at 4 p.m., so it won't be able to show all the sessions. This indicator works great on ES futures, NQ futures, gold, forex pairs, commodities. There's two main parts to analyzing the market: levels and reactions. This indicator helps you get your levels. Now I'm going to show you some of the reactions I focus on when I'm looking at these levels. The first reaction is a rejection. A rejection is exactly what it sounds like. It's when price comes up to a level and rejects this level. Price says, I do not want to come above this level, so I'm rejecting. In this case, we are watching price reject off of a previous New York high. So you can see that price comes up right here, the candle doesn't close above, and we reject and move down. The second type of reaction is a bounce. A bounce is also very, very simple. It's literally just when price bounces off a level. So price didn't quite bounce off this low, so we're actually going to focus on this Asian low, and you can see that price bounces off of it twice perfectly. The last rejection, and my favorite rejection, is called a break and retest. A break and retest is when price breaks above or below a level, comes back to this level, and then continues moving in the same direction that it broke in. In this case, price broke down, moved back up, retested, and then continued moving down. In a situation like this, I would have my entry right at this retest, and I would have my stop right above this zone. And I would be targeting about 10 to 20 points. Now I'm going to show you some results of people using this strategy. So right here, you can see that my man Mikey made $2,040 in a little under 30 minutes using this strategy. He said that it used to take him 2 weeks of working overtime at his job, and he just made it in less than 30 minutes. That's the power of trading, is you can make a lot of money in a very short amount of time once you get good at this skill. You can see that my man Brian made a quick $4,000 in 3 minutes. My man Lean made $1,000. Jesse made $1,200 in a little under an hour. My man Scott just passed a funded account. This strategy does not just work for me, it works for everybody in my community. If you'd like to join the premium community, you can join using the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see everybody soon.